Okay, you'll have to bear with me as I do this because I'm not very good with the pen yet, but I'm gonna try my best. So you can read the problem. I'm not gonna waste video space on that. Um, Basically, in this problem, you have two different figures. There's a square and a rectangle, and the first two sentences tell you what the rectangle's side lengths are in terms of the side lengths of the square. So since the most unknown thing is the side length of the square, I'm going to make that my variable, and I might as well use s. And in a square, all four side lengths, 1, 2, 3, 4, would have the same length. You know this. The first piece of information that is useful is that the horizontal sides of a rectangle are 1/2 the length of the side of a particular square. So if the side of the square is s, 1/2 of the side length of the square would be 1/2 s. The second sentence says the vertical sides are 4 centimeters more than 3 times the side of the square. So I'll put it over here. Here's 3 times the side of the square, and here's 4 more than that. The last sentence says, if the perimeter of the rectangle is twice the perimeter of the square, what are the dimensions of the rectangle? So our equation is going to come from defining what the perimeter of the rectangle is and setting that equal to twice the perimeter of the square. Twice the perimeter of the square. Now the perimeter of the rectangle, since there are two of each type of side, is going to be twice the short side plus 2 of the long sides, 3s plus 4, and that should be equal to double the perimeter of the square, and if the square has 4 sides all the same length, that would be, in our case, 4s. I think everybody is pretty comfortable solving an equation like this. In fact, the fraction drops out, so you end up with 2 times a half is 1s plus 6s plus 8, and that should be equal to 8s. Moving all the terms to one side, this would be 7s, and I can subtract 7s from both sides, leaving me with just 1s over here equals 8. Now, this is the length of the side of the square. We are asked for the dimensions of the rectangle. So, if I can just switch colors here, 1/2 s, if s is 8, would be 4, and 3 times 8 would be 24, plus 4 would be 28. So the dimensions of the rectangle are 4 by 28, of course in centimeters. So 4, maybe I should have left some room for that, 4 centimeters by 28 centimeters. Not too bad for my first time. If you have any questions, let me know.